hole number 5, yung par 5, I eagled that hole. So, nag-drive ako and then natirahan na lang ako ng mga 126 yards. Pag third shot ko, dumikit yung follow ko ng mga 6-7 footers. And then hole number 9, second shot ko, I was 156 yards. And then dumikit ulit siya mga 3 footers. Sa hole number 5, I used my pitching wedge, second shot. And then hole number 9, I used my 7 iron. Yung 3 up na ako, same strategy pa rin. Go for 2 on ulit sa par 5. So hole number 14, doon ako mas nag-gain ng confidence. Tapos I birdied the next hole pa. Definitely, yeah. Yung dalawang eagle ko na yun, feeling ko nagpapanalo sa akin today. So I'm leaving tomorrow, Japan Q School second stage sa Ibaraki. Mas doble yung practice rounds ko doon para mas ma-familiar sa course. Very important siya sa akin kasi right before to nung tournament ko sa Japan, magiging confidence booster ko siya coming in sa second stage ko sa Japan. So I would like to thank my family, my friends for the support. Si mommy, si papa, si Lance, si Kuya Paolo, si Kuya Aldrin, tsaka yung roommate ko, si Marvy, yung Atienza family, yung Uy family din. My sponsors, Valley Golf, GolfX, John Warius, and Flightlist Philippines. Thank you!
Congratulations to our winners, and we hope to see all of you tomorrow on the final day of the men's.
Ready? Set?
Go.
Okay lang.